Hi, Brandon and Will here from SlantRange, and today we're going to walk you through calibrating the accelerometer. So first thing you want to do is have your copter, remove the sensor from the copter and the AIS, so it's kind of freestanding, but you're going to have to power it. So what we have is the normal power cable for the copter. Make sure you have some slack because you're going to maneuver the sensor around. So let's begin. First thing we want to do is turn on the copter, which in turn turns on the sensor. So we've turned everything on. We'll wait for the normal Cylon LED sequence. All right, well that's going on. Now it's gonna complete pretty soon. Let's connect to the sensor's Wi-Fi.
So over here in the 3B Toolbox, if you just go to your router settings, look for the serial number of your sensor, then enter your password. SlantRange 3P is the default.
Okay, you're connected.
You'll see no internet, but that the connection has been established. So now we'll go to sensor calibration. Click yes that you're connected.
Okay, so you'll see this page, and normally we do a compass, should be familiar with that. So this time we're going to do accelerometer.
You'll see this message here. Again, this is not recommended unless you've been contacted by SlantRange technical support to perform this calibration. So we'll go ahead and start.
So what's going to happen is it's going to detect the sensor orientation. Since this is the first orientation, it detected it, and what you want to do is keep it really still. So that one's done. We're going to start the next one. Just rotate it any which way. It'll turn yellow. Hold it still. It's done. Next position. Done. Next position.
Again, make sure to hold the sensor as still as possible while it's completing the calibration for each orientation.
And the last one is on its back. And we're complete. So the next step is we want you to report back what those values are. So go to the little slider bar icon, click it, and at the very top you'll see your values. So those are the values we care about. Go ahead and email those back to us or some other method, and that should be it. A couple notes is you want to find a place that's pretty solid table, something you can set it on, it won't move around or vibrate very much. Another thing is make sure your table is level, you don't want it slanted or not. And when you hold the sensor, just make sure that when you hold it, you try to hold it as parallel to or perpendicular to gravity as possible, and hold it very still. If you're moving it around a little bit, that's okay, but the normal average holding still is good enough. So yeah, report those values back to us, and hopefully it's pretty easy. Thanks a lot.